Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious smoked ham and egg sandwich with 2 kinds of cheese. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients to make our delicious smoked ham and egg sandwich with 2 kinds of cheese, we have 6 nice slices of smoked ham here. Yep, it's going to have a lot of ham on there. And over here we have a half a cup of mozzarella cheese, and back here we have 1 cup of cheddar cheese. And over here we have about 1/4 of an onion sliced up, and we're going to need 3 nice large eggs today. And over here we have a nice sub roll that we're going to lightly toast, and that'll be tasty. And up here we have our seasonings. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Now that ought to kick it up a notch. And 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. That sounds good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and cut our sub roll in half, right? Don't cut it all the way through. We'll just cut it in half like this. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. Okay, put this aside. And we'll put some of this aside too. Alright guys, now for the ham, we're going to cut that in half to make it easier to fit the sandwich. So we'll put all our nice slices right here. Just like this. Right? And we'll go ahead and cut them right in half. Just like this. Right in half. Beautiful. Alright. Now you end up with a piece maybe about the size of our bun, right? There you go. Then you can stack them up and do what you want with it. Isn't that neat? Alright, let's roll this up. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put them back on the plate. Okay, there you go. All our ham all sliced up. And it'll probably fit our bun better, right? Alright, let's put this aside. Alright, here's a nice large bowl. And we're going to go ahead and crack some eggs in there. Now I know you guys saw that eggshell in there, so, oh, there he is, okay. Okay, we got him. Now to that, we're going to add all our nice seasonings. Put them right in there. Okay? Okay, let's beat that up, you know? Okay. Now if you want to, you can add a little bit of milk. This is about 1 tablespoon of milk. Put that in there. And that'll help thin them down. Mix that in. Okay, there you go. Okay, now we're going to take a little bit of our cheddar cheese and put that in there. Just a little bit. Okay. Mix that in. Alright. Alright guys, there you have it, our nice egg mixture. Now all we have to do is start making our sandwich. So let's do that. Okay guys, we're using a non-stick pan here today, and we're going to set our burner to medium-high. And we're going to put a little oil in the pan. Alright, now I'm using peanut oil here today. It has a high smoke point and it tastes good too. Okay. Okay, our pan seems hot enough. Now we're going to take our onions that we chopped up, put them right in there. Okay, now we want to cook those onions till they're just barely soft. You know, we don't want them so soft that they fall apart, right? We want them a little bit crunchy. Not much, but a little bit crunchy. Or should I say, just a little translucent, like they're getting right here. See, they're starting to be able to see through them a little bit, so that's good. Okay, when you have them like that, just go ahead and put them over to one side and lower your burner temperature to medium. And if you need to, put a little more oil in the pan. Then take all your ham and put that right in there. Just like this. Okay? And we'll stir them around, you know, get them nice and hot. Okay, let's get some of our ham out of there. Okay guys, there you have it, all our ham nice and warmed up, and boy does that smell good. All right, put that aside. Okay, make sure you lower your burner temperature to medium low, and we'll take our egg mixture and give it a stir, right? Okay, and we'll pour that right in there. And you want to kind of soft scramble these, you know, make like ribbons. Keep them kind of big. So you're not looking to scramble your eggs, you're trying to make them into nice ribbons like this, see it? Beautiful. Okay. Okay, now push them all to one side, just like this. Okay, now we'll take our ham and we'll start piling it on there. Well, that one fell off there, that's good. He wanted to get on there quick. So let's pile our ham on. Can you see it? Boy, that's loaded with ham. Okay. I mean, it's really loaded with ham. Okay. Okay, let's put this one down here. All right, there you go. Okay, let's lower our burner temperature to low. And we'll scoot that over a little bit into the middle of the pan. Then we'll go ahead and take some of our cheddar cheese and we'll put that on top. Just pile it on there. Okay, now that's a whole cup of cheddar cheese almost right there. All right, now we're going to take our mozzarella cheese, right? And we're going to put that on top. Yep, this sandwich is getting really big, guys. Okay. Okay, there's our mozzarella cheese on there. Okay, now let's cover that and let our cheese melt. Oh man, that's the wrong lid. Okay guys, let's cover that and let our cheese melt. All right. Okay guys, let's see how our cheese is doing. Oh yeah, that looks good, boy. All right, let's shut off our burner, because that's done. Okay, let's go ahead and put a little parsley flakes on top. Just a little bit. Now you could put a little salt and pepper on there. All right. Okay guys, now all we have to do is try to get that on our nice sub roll. I think I'm going to need a bigger sub roll, but we'll see if it fits. So let's do that. Okay guys, here's our nice toasted sub roll, and I think I'm going to have to cut this sub roll in half this time. So let's go ahead and cut it in half, just like this. We'll make a top and a bottom. Okay. Now we're going to take our nice smoked ham, egg, and cheese and try to get that on that roll. Can you see that? Boy, does that look good. All right, let's see if we can get it on there. Slide him out there. Just like that. Can you see it? All right, we'll take our time. All right. There you go. Wow, is that huge? That's about the biggest sandwich I think I ever made on this type of sub roll. It is huge. Okay. Okay, let's put the top on. Okay, there you go, guys. Look at that sandwich. Can you see it? That is just huge right there. It's loaded with cheese, loaded with ham, and it is definitely loaded with eggs, right? Plus those onions that we sauteed up in there. This is gonna be good. And if you could smell this, you know, in my kitchen here, you would be wanting to have a bite really quick, like I am. All right, guys, let's just go ahead and get into it because I can't wait any longer. Let's have a taste. Okay, let's cut it right in half. Okay. Okay, guys, let's pick this up and see how we did. Oh, wow. I wish you could see this up close. That is huge, guys. It's huge. Look at all the egg and the ham and cheese in there. Boy, is this going to taste good. All right, let me just go ahead and have a bite, see if I can get my jaws wrapped around this, and I'll let you know how it tastes. Okay. Boy, is that tasty. You're just going to love this. Just go ahead and make them this way. That's all I'm going to tell you. This is a huge sandwich, and you can probably feed 2 people with it, no problem. Right? Okay, let's put it down here where you can see it. And my roll moved. Okay. Here it is, guys. Right there. Look at that sandwich. It is loaded with cheese, loaded with ham, and definitely loaded with flavor. You can't beat that right there. And even the cheese that kind of got a little crusty. Boy, does that taste good. All right, guys, you know what to go good with this since we're having this nice sandwich for lunch? Yep, I bet you guessed it. I'm going to have a nice wobble pop. Yep, that really does sound good. All right, guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious smoked ham and egg sandwich with 2 different kinds of cheese. And boy, is that huge. That's what's for lunch today. Boy, does that sound good.